Okay, so hi everybody. Jack here again. Hey Lisa, this is, ow, jeez, this electric chair is plugged in and I think there's a little bit of water on the ground. It gave me a shock. Well, let me just start by saying that we get a lot of requests for special client needs. A lot of teachers have different things, different issues, and so one of the really common things that we get is what to do when you have a client who is left-handed. We'll start off by showing you some great exercises that you can do, or one great exercise. I'm not going to spend a lot of time because this is a great topic, and of course this could be a whole workshop. The first thing I want to do with a client that I have that is left-handed is to do what's called the helicopter on the Wanda chair. One hand in the middle. Now the helicopter on the Wanda chair is great for getting that client accustomed to using both their hands. So coming over to the reformer, one of the things that you want to avoid with your left-handed client is the washing machine. So the washing machine, of course, I'm going to have it on all 4 springs, and I'm going to step on the reformer, just exactly like you were going to do front splits. But you're going to turn away from the spring bar, of course, and you're going to reach down for your, and here you were going to put your left foot and your left leg is out. Great exercise, works the small muscles of the wrist. As you can see, it would be not an ideal exercise for a left-handed client. But what's great is to give them the mechanic. Of course, I'll show it really quickly, but the mechanic, of course, and the transition, and you come up standing properly. The mechanic is great for your left-handed clients because you can see that it addresses that left hand directly. I mean, it's pretty obvious. The crouched tiger, hidden dragon, as I was taught, of course, you start at the back of the reformer. And you know, every reformer is a little different, but the exercise stays the same. So the crouched tiger, hidden dragon on that reformer, you wouldn't do that with your left-handed clients at all. There you go. Now a little lower. There you go. Try it. Staying low, staying low, staying low. And you want to have your hands kind of like this. No, like this. Lower, lower. And the lower you can get, the more effective this exercise is for your right-handed clients, of course. And now what you're going to do is you're going to jump off the side, hit the ground low, hidden, hidden. Where's Elisa? Quickly. No. And when you come up, you need to come up and roll up, and your head needs to be the last thing that comes up. What kind of Pilates teacher are you? There we go. I mean, you knew that one, of course. I mean, everyone's taught that thing. And now, wash the machine. Come on, come on. Use those wrists. There you go. See, my clothes are getting washed. This is a serious archival exercise. I don't know why you think this is funny. April Fools. Ha 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 ha.